In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone removed you from LinkedIn. Logging into LinkedIn and finding out if a connection has quietly drifted away might be a little tricky at first, but with these steps, you'll feel like a LinkedIn detective in no time. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Navigating directly to the website will set the stage for understanding the subtle art of connection statuses. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can do this by signing in using your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. It's straightforward and simply a part of the process to access your LinkedIn connections. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your identity. They'll send a code to your registered phone number. Just enter that code when prompted to ensure your account stays secure. It's an extra step, but security is always worth it. Now onto the main part, figuring out if someone has disconnected from you. You'll want to start by heading to your connections page. This is your hub for all things network related on LinkedIn. Once there, utilize the search feature to look for the person you suspect might have severed the digital ties. Searching through your list directly is the quickest way to gather a clue. If you notice that their profile still shows up in your connections list, then you're likely still linked. However, if you cannot locate them, or their profile shows a connection status of second or third instead of first, this is a telltale sign that you might have been removed from their connections. LinkedIn uses this status to indicate the degree of connection between users, where first means you're directly connected, and the other numbers indicate more distant connections. It's worth mentioning that LinkedIn does not notify you if someone decides to remove you from their network, which means they won't be alerted if you do the same. Only if you or they check and notice this change in connection status will either party become aware. Remember, the person you've disconnected from won't realize anything unless they go looking for your profile or inspect their own connections list. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can discern whether someone has quietly lifted you from their LinkedIn network. Insightful, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps you maintain and understand your professional network more effectively. Until next time, keep your connections thriving.